Hello all and welcome to this new video. We all have used Google Translator, which is a great tool for translating words, phrases and web pages between English and over 100 other languages. But have you ever wondered how can we translate languages using Python? Well, in this video we'll be using Translate and Google Translator API, integrating with Python to translate between various languages of a choice within few lines of code. So let's get started. Before starting with the code, we need to download two of the libraries which we'll be using for our language translation. Firstly, the Translate API, which is integrated with Microsoft Translation and translated MyMemory's API. And secondly, Google Trans New, which is provided by Google. Google Trans New is an updated version of their previous API, Google Trans. As you can see, it's released in 4th December 2020. This is the updated version which is more reliable and user-friendly. For downloading these two APIs, you just need to copy this pip install Google Trans New and paste this in your command prompt. As I am using Anaconda, I'll be pasting this in my Anaconda prompt and execute the command. As I've already downloaded this, you can see requirement already satisfied both for pip install translate as well as for pip install Google Trans New. Once you are done downloading these APIs, now we'll come towards the coding part. First, we'll demonstrate how can we translate languages using Translate and later using Google Trans New. Starting with Translate, we'll be using from Translate import translator. We'll execute this command. Now what we have done here is we have mentioned to which language we need to translate. You can keep any language like Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, anything, and we'll store this in our variable called translator. Now we'll use this translator to .translate. Now whatever we will type here will be translated to that particular language. For example, we'll type welcome to my channel, and now this will be translated to Hindi. We'll execute this one and we'll print translation, and as you can see our text has been translated to Hindi. मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है. As we have seen executing language translation using Translate, now we'll see how can we translate our languages using Google Trans New. For that purpose, we'll import our module Google Translator from Google Trans New. Now we'll create a class of the object and we'll execute this code. Now we'll call our function translator.translate. Here we need to mention the text you need to translate. Before that, we need to mention what is the language source. As we'll be typing in English, we'll use en over here. So we'll type hello. Now here we will mention what is the target language, in which language we need to translate. So Google has various codes for various languages. You can visit this site. Over here we can see there are various codes for each particular language which is supported by Google. Now we'll translate our English text to Italian. For Italian the code is IT. Now let's see what is the output we get. Let's execute our code. There is a type error. Okay, this should be src. We'll quickly print our value. We can see our hello has been translated to an Italian language, that is cow. Now we'll experiment with some other languages. We can take a code from here. Okay, we'll try Spanish one, that is ES. So when I keep language target as ES, we'll get hola. That is a translation for hello in Spanish. This was all from my side, and thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. You can use this code snippet as a part in your project's APIs and a lot more applications. I have provided link for this code in the description below. You can just copy paste and experiment with this code. If this video served helpful for you in any ways, do give a thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye and take care.